It's like I can't do no wrong, I know.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm taking two different texture curly wigs and turning them into something completely different. I'm first starting off with this looser curl wig, and I'm going to start detangling first with this pink wide tooth comb. So let's get into it. After detangling, I section off this wig into 3 different layers, and I'm going to be cutting the same amount from each level. After cutting each layer, this is how it turned out. Then I went ahead and shaped it to make sure all the layers were even in a diagonal line. Now I'm just going to be taking this water bottle and spritzing this all over the hair and just combing it out with my wide tooth comb. And look how these curls look. They look so pretty with just water. And to make sure I got the style I wanted, I brought the closure part of this wig to the front and scrunched up the curls to get that clumpy, coily, curly look. Now I'm just going to go ahead and move on to my second wig, and I'm going to be doing the same thing I did to the first wig with detangling, but I'm also going to be taking my pink Conair hair dryer and blowing out this hair, and it turned out so pretty and fluffy and soft. After I'm done blow drying it, I'm taking the hair and sectioning it off into 3 sections like I did the first wig. But this one, I'm taking the bottom 2 layers, cutting the same length, and I'm cutting the top layer at a diagonal just to save time with evening out the hair. When all the layers are cut, I'm taking my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine and getting a few squirts of that and applying it to all of the hair. I want to make sure the hair curls well and there's a nice shine to it. After that, I'm sectioning off the hair into 3 sections, and I'm going to wand curl the hair with my Numi curling wand. If you guys want to see where I get everything from, definitely check out the description box. I will have every product I'm using down below. This is how the curls turned out. I did end up pin curling it and leaving the hair setting overnight. And in the next clips, I'm going to be showing you guys what the hair looks like with me styling the hair. So now that the looser curly wig is all dry, we're going to go ahead and put her on and style her. Now, this is the first wig that I styled in this video. I wasn't too sure because she's giving Rick James.
And for that girl backstage, make it publicly clear. Never mind who you thought I was. I'm Rick James.
So once I was over how it looked originally, I went ahead and tousled the hair, try to get her a little bit more volume, because y'all know if you're natural, definitely have to do some things to get her to the length and the height that you want. So I also took some of my shears and cut some random pieces just to give it a little bit more layers. I was really scared, but I just went for it, and that's what this video is about, and I was actually impressed with the results. Let me know what you guys think about this hair and how it turned out. I actually really love it. It's given very natural, and I can see this being an everyday wig for sure. So now let's go ahead and start styling the next wig. And this is the second wig that I curled and pinned up. She's giving a 60s vibe. I love her so much. These pin curls came out so cute. It reminds me of natural hair, and I definitely will have this as my second go-to everyday wig. So I'm just going to let the rest of this clip play. And so if you guys love me, keep watching, skip forward, but continue to watch this video, okay?
Me and a man just a couple and a cuddle boom. Pop the body head and we bust it like a bubble and you know what me boom boom. On the body me a wine and a boom 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 boom. Happy body just a jump and a boom boom boom. You know what me boom boom. On the body me a wine and a boom boom boom. Happy body just a jump and a boom. Wine on the body and a sit down on the bed. Boom boom so tight so no man not fit cheat. Phone take a picture yeah that you fit tweet. Tell them y'all them what ya them every come ya beat and I catch it on the beat. Me just a drop it home, me twerk it and I slap it on the ground like me a map it home. Me stuck it and I pop it and I wine it and I lap it. Take a picture you fit snap it, Facebook it and crap it. Yes I know me like it. Bring your body come ya make me ride it. Ride it like a YIKES. Cock up and sit down and I wine it. Yes I know me like it. Bring your body come ya make me ride it. Ride it like a YIKES. Cock up and sit down and I wine it.
Now after I took the pin curls out, I did take my Tresemme Freeze Hold Spray in the level 5. Yes, Tresemme has leveled up with number 5 holding spray, and I took that and sprayed the hair, went crazy with the hairspray just so I can keep these curls for a couple of days. And that is pretty much it, you guys. There wasn't a lot to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you all think. I did add some new editing features and my new editing style, so let me know what you think about that. Which hairstyle is your favorite? Which wig would you consider? I will have everything you guys need to know down in the description box down below, including the original install of both the wigs. This video is to show you guys that you don't have to put in a lot of effort to get great results. So you don't have to do baby hair, you don't have to glue your wigs down or whatever the case. But this video was super fun to edit and to make. And I hope you guys enjoy. I love you guys and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.